Dear assistants, hello. In the context of the ECD SES 2020 conference activities, I am honored to present to you my paper entitled Cost Hour IoT Services Composition Survey. Me, PhD student Bousti Rabah from Abbas Laghrur University of Khanshla, Algeria. First, we present the main lines of our intervention. We start with an introduction. In the second point, we give a little overview on the IoT services composition. After, we will present our survey, where we will study some cost-sensitive IoT services composition approaches. And we will give a discussion and finally a conclusion. Introduction. The Internet of Things is a new paradigm that involves the integration of the physical world into the virtual world by giving to our objects the ability to interconnect, exchange data, and self-cooperating to achieve automatically a common goal. By encapsulating the IoT services into web services using principally the service-oriented architecture model, where services are considered the basic component of any processing. Their principles are based on description, publication, and invocation. The weak coupling between the components in the service-oriented architecture offers the reusability and the composability of these services. We can define the services composition as the services composition consists of combining the functionalities of several atomic services into a single business process in order to meet the complex needs that a single service cannot satisfy by respecting the constraints in terms of cost imposed by the user. The user request includes the functional properties that are needed as well as the non-functional properties, quality of services, such as cost, response time, reliability, etc. So, it is appropriate to introduce a quality of services strategy for selecting and composing IoT services. In this presentation, we examine the compositional mechanism of IoT services by focusing on cost-hour approaches, by proposing a survey of some existing approaches with a comparative study based on specific criteria. Second, IoT services composition. Given the complexity of user needs, usually a single IoT service cannot satisfy user component requests. In this case, a composite service is required. A composite service adequately combines a set of atomic services into one to successfully meet a complex objective that provides added value. Naturally, the user sends his request to the service providers to obtain an appropriate response. It happens that a solitary provider is not sufficient to satisfy this request. Consequently, the involvement of several providers would be necessary. Since the IoT environment is very dynamic, the quality of service criteria of the IoT services that are candidates for the composition are constantly oscillating. Therefore, it must be determined whether the composite service meets the service level requirements imposed by the user. The quality of service of the composite service is related to the composition model. There are 4 composition models: sequential, cycle, parallel, and a branch. In the sequential model, the tasks are executed in sequential order. In the cycle model, at least one task must be run more than once. The parallel model, the parallel tasks executed simultaneously move on to the next task until all these parallel tasks are completed. And fourth, the branch template, it selects a single task from a set of optional options and moves on the next step. Quality of service are an important case in the composition of services. The cost, response time, reputation, reliability are generally the main attributes of the quality of service on the Internet. However, IoT information is closely related to the physical world, making geographic location of devices an important attribute for user satisfaction. The quality of service in the IoT can be modeled as follows: price, response time, reliability, reputation, and geographical location. Third, cost-aware IoT services composition approaches. In this section, we will present some existing approaches in the literature relative to the composition of IoT services sensitive to the cost. First, Elgin and al. Proposed the meta-heuristic method based on the cooperation between two algorithms, the genetic algorithm and the particle swarm optimization (PSO), to solve the problems of composition of the IoT service controlled by the quality of service cost. By given a near to optimal composition, the relative importance of the quality of service attributes of composite service is the same as the size of the potential candidate services. The cost parameters studied are cost, availability, time, reliability. Second, in Q. and al., the cost-oriented service composition QSC is formulated as a multi-criteria global programming model MCGP to discover the appropriate composite service that meets the constraints of the user service quality. A multi-population genetic algorithm MGA is proposed to solve this model. The MCGP automatically assigns high-quality web services to the composite service and also binds candidate composite services by assigning cost constraints when no composite service can strictly satisfy the constraints of the view service quality imposed by the user. The approach gives a near to optimal composition, and it is scalable in the IoT environment on a large scale. The cost parameters taken in this approach are execution time, reliability, and execution cost. Osama and al. Consider both energy consumption and the quality of service. They have modeled the composition into a short path optimization problem with two objectives. BSPO, B objective, shortest path optimization. Minimize the quality of service including execution time, network latency, and the price of service. And minimize the energy consumption of the composite service. They use the exact algorithm called PERS to solve the problem. The proposed model is scalable for large-scale IoT environments and offers an optimal balance between cost level and energy consumption. Khanouch and al. Propose a clustering-based and cost-aware services composition algorithm for the composition of services in an ambient intelligence environment. First, by using the K-means method, the candidate services will be partitioned into clusters. Each cluster represents a cost level. For the sake of optimality and by using the characteristics of resulting clusters, a new formulation of the utility function of the candidate services is proposed to eliminate the candidate services which are not promising in terms of quality of service, which reduces the search space as well as the composition time. Then they determine the cost level of the candidate services that satisfy the global cost constraints by exploiting the lexicographic optimization method. Finally, from the selected candidate services, a search tree is constructed to determine the quasi-optimal composition. The approach is scalable and considers the following cost parameters: response time, throughput, availability, reliability, and cost. Fung and al. Introduce energy into workflow management in wireless sensor networks. First, they extend the traditional cost model with the proposition of a method for calculating energy. Then they adopt a quality of service constraint decomposition approach. By considering the cost of the service and its energy, the global constraints will be decomposed into a set of local quality of service constraints for the atomic services. Finally, local services will be efficiently selected. This method is optimal and considers the cost parameters, execution time, cost, availability, and energy consumption. Khanouch and al. Proposed in another paper an energy-centric and cost-aware IoT service composition approach. They model and solve the problem as a multi-objective optimization problem, which allows minimizing power consumption in order to ensure high availability of composite services while satisfying the user cost requirements. First, each subproblem is linked to a quality of service attribute and processed by a lexicographic optimization method to pre-select service based on the quality of service level. The pre-selected candidate services are then compared to select the best service using Pareto-related relative dominance relation concept based on its energy profile, cost attributes, and user preferences. The energy-centered and cost-aware services selection algorithm is able to find solutions very close to the optimum, about 98%. Cost, availability, reliability, and energy consumption are the cost parameters considered. Gao and al. Propose a cost aggregation scheme to compute the global cost vector. The degree of optimization of the event composition is calculated using a cost utility function, taking into account the user constraints and the weighting vector. Finally, a genetic algorithm is developed to create optimal event service compositions. They were able to show that the genetic algorithm developed gives between 79% and 97% of the optimized results, exploiting the compromise between convergence time and degree of optimization. The cost parameters considered are latency, price, energy consumption, bandwidth consumption, availability, completeness, accuracy, and security. Zieming and al. Decomposed the complex calculation model of the cost into 4 based models and assigned to each model a calculation method. To suit the IoT characteristics, a backtrack algorithm is proposed to calculate the quality of service. The composition is optimal and response time, reliability, availability are the cost parameters considered in this approach. Ziyong and al. Propose an effective quality of service strategy to solve the problem of the IoT information services composition. They use multi-attribute decision making to evaluate each IoT service and select the elites in terms of cost to be part of the composition. An improved genetic algorithm is used as a global optimization method. The optimal solution is the service composition scheme with the global maximum cost value. Price, response time, reliability, reputation, and geographic location are the cost parameters considered. Kyung and al. Present a service quality monitoring and service composition system in environmental sensor networks. Reliability and reactivity are the 2 cost parameters estimated by using a naive Bayesian classifier. In addition, this approach uses these parameters to get an optimal web services composition, which improves the overall quality of service of the entire environmental sensor network by carefully excluding the failed nodes when responding to the user requests. In the discussion, the algorithms, Pearl's algorithm, linear programming, the backtracking algorithm, and the naive Bayesian classifier are used in no heuristic approaches. The heuristics and meta-heuristics approaches use the genetic algorithm and optimization by particle swarms, the multi-population genetic algorithm, the K-means method, and lexicographic optimization. Lexicographic optimization and Pareto domination, the genetic algorithm and the enhanced genetic algorithm. Most solutions give quasi-optimal results. They are based on heuristic and meta-heuristic approaches. On the other hand, the optimal compositions are found by using no-heuristic approaches. The parameters considered in the composition approaches cited are cost, availability, reliability, runtime, response time, rate, latency, bandwidth consumption, completeness, accuracy, security, responsiveness, energy consumption, and geographic position. Finally, the conclusion. In this presentation, we have described a comparative study of some approaches of the composition of IoT services that are sensitive to quality of service. We have made a comparison based on the algorithms used, which we noticed that the majority of these algorithms are heuristic or meta-heuristic. This is justified by the fact that the composition of web services taking into account the cost is NP-hard, and it must be resolved within an acceptable time. The most important cost attributes were response time, cost, availability, and reliability. Energy consumption and geographical position are two attributes that are important in the composition of IoT services. This can also be justified by the need for energy optimization of connected objects that are also closely related to the physical world. Thank you so much for your attention.